I spent $60 at AutoZone to restore my headlights. I got sandpaper, PlastX, ceramic spray, the whole deal. And somehow, they still look like this. What went wrong? Pretty much everything. This is the story of how I tried to fix my foggy headlights and accidentally made them worse. Alright, here's the plan in my head. Step 1. Sand off the yellow. Step 2. Polish it until it shines. Step 3. Seal it and enjoy clean, clear vision, like it's a brand new car. Spoiler, I never got to step 3 properly. I picked up SureBilt Sandpaper, 600, 1000, and 3000 grit. Meguiar's PlastX because TikTok said it works miracles. And Mother's CMX ceramic spray for that long-lasting protection. No kits, just vibes. I didn't tape off the paint like a responsible adult. I just went full send with the sandpaper and hoped for the best. I think I did pretty good, but do as I say and not as I do. Tape off your bumper. I started with 600 grit and sanded, and sanded, and sanded, and sanded. I kept it wet just like every YouTuber said. And I thought the yellow was coming off. It looked like progress. Then moved to 1000 grit. Then 3000. It was looking kind of frosty, but clean. I was starting to feel like a professional. At this point, I'm thinking easy W. Just need to polish and seal it. This is about to be a satisfying transformation. And then, PlastX entered the chat. Rubbed it in, buffed it out, and my headlight went from frosty to fog machine in 0.2 seconds. Suddenly, it looked worse, cloudier, like I wiped it down with a dirty napkin. I stood there like, wait, what just happened? And before I could try to fix it, the sun started setting, which means I had just enough time to panic. And right around the time my headlight started to haze over again, I started questioning every decision I've ever made. Like, maybe I should have just read the car Bible, the beginner's guide that I literally wrote to help people understand car stuff like this. But no, here I was raw dogging oxidation with sandpaper and hope. So if you're new to cars and actually want to understand this stuff without the internet roasting you, check it out. Physical and digital copies are available. The link's down below. All right, back to the disaster. So let's break down where the restoration went off the rails. Problem number 1, I didn't sand enough with 600 grit. Can't skip the ugly stage. Trust me, I had dreads. If you don't fully remove the top layer of oxidized plastic, no amount of polishing will save you. Problem number 2, I probably had moisture or compound residue left when I was polishing. Rookie mistake. Always clean and dry the lens before PlastX. Problem number 3, I trusted PlastX to make it look brand new when I should have spent more time leveling the surface. Polish doesn't fix uneven plastic. And lastly, I may have used a microfiber towel that wasn't 100% clean. So yeah, I polished in some of my own failures. That's so poetic. So now, I've got one slightly shinier, slightly hazier headlight, and the knowledge that I definitely made it worse. But hey, failure is just content in disguise. Next video, we redo it the right way. I'm talking deep sanding, proper polishing techniques, and maybe an actual headlight coating this time. If you've ever messed up on a simple DIY project, leave a comment so I won't feel alone, or just roast me, it builds character. Make sure you subscribe so you can watch me redeem this fail, or make it worse in 4K.